Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh my God. This is a truck on the ice. This is not right. It's my maggot.
Yeah.
This is the guy she used to date. This is no big deal.
This one's bigger.
Yeah.
This one's bigger.
All right. So what part of the how shall I impale the magnet?
Well,
the magnet
you want it where you see the hook there. You'll want to just kind of thread it a little bit. Just thread it right on there.
Starting like from not like the middle of like a Looney Tunes cartoons.
Yep.
Like through his head.
Right there.
Right there. Oh yeah, nice.
Nice. Just thread them on there a little bit.
Oh yeah. Zombie
Yeah, just like
apocalypse.
Just like a little gummy. Just like a little gummy.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Actually, that wasn't so bad.
Little food.
Now look at that presentation. Wouldn't you want that?
That's a good looking.
That is a
That's a good looking hooked maggot right
Yes.
there. We go.
There you go. You want to do this?
So I just drop them in.
Yep, okay. Let it. Yep. Just make sure that that's going to slide.
Okay.
Okay. Just flip the bail.
You need to understand that a maggot's just not going to drop down from the sky all damn day today. You ought to bite on it when you see
We're
it.
trying to trick them, you know.
Let me start it again.
all the amenities.
I am very, very
Cook your fish
pleased.
right in here.
This is
You make them
extremely
You just
comfortable
flip it
in
out of
here.
that hole and
This is like being
out of the
in
water into the
a
pan.
fairly nice hotel room.
They live here.
This is the kind of ice fishing that I was hoping for. Take a look right over here. Look at this stove. Look at this stove. You got a stove,
You got it.
right? You got radio right over here, right there.
With Wi-Fi now, you don't have to
Look at this. Chairs. This is where we men go to get away from the women.
Yes, perfect. Now see how he wiggles?
All right, here he
Drop him
goes.
down. Okay. This one.
And then the other way. In there.
Oh my gosh, it's a pike! It's a northern pike!
There you go. They can see it.
Excellent.
Sheri, look here.
I'm so proud of it. It's fantastic. She pulled it in.
Bob.
There he goes. Catch and release.
Catch and the release.
There he goes. Yeah. How does my new hat look?
I love it.
You like it?
Okay,
It matches your shoes.
Does it? I know it. I think I have finally found something that I can totally embrace as my sport. Look at this. I'm out here. I've got a heater right over here. This is called a clam, a one-man clam, because it's like a clamshell. You can pull it up, you know, or on a nice day like today where it's about 15 degrees, I can sit out and enjoy the beautiful outdoors here in South Dakota. Well, I've got 2 holes here and 2 rods going. I'm just going to kind of wait to get lucky.
Killed the lake off.
Oh no!
Oh man! I couldn't see. I just seen a flick of a tail there right at the end.
Oh, shoot.
You lost the fish, Bob.
Man!
You lost it.
No, I did not lose it. I set it free early.
Yeah, it was a release.
I released.
Yeah,
It's called
he
early
always-
release.
He always gives back.
Then
Have
you
you
don't
ever
have to
heard
touch
of
the
early
fish.
release?
He's a giver.
Yeah.
It happens to a lot of men, Bob. Just relax.
I'm trying to. It's very exciting.
It's a good sized minnow you got there.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I've never had any complaints.